Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy speech on Women's Equality Day. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Ananya Singh. Today, I would like to speak about Women's Equality Day. Women's Equality Day is celebrated every year on 26th August. This day reminds us that women and men deserve equal rights, opportunities, and respect. Women play an important role in our families, society, and country. Every woman should have the freedom to study, work, make her own choices, and achieve her dreams. We should respect women and never discriminate against them because of their gender. Let us work together to create a fair and equal society. Thank you.